or big family?
It is a small family.
Is your mother is working woman?
Yes, she works in Mahatma Gandhi Vidyalaya Junior College.
What is your father?
My father is a professor in AIT College, Vita.
Do you speak in English?
Yes, I speak in English.
Can you explain any topic in English?
Yes, I can explain about badminton. Badminton is a nice sport. There is minimum amount of injuries in badminton. I play badminton daily with my friends.
Which language do you like most?
I like to speak English most.
Which is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Marathi.
Can you express anything in Marathi?
I can explain anything. Mostly I would like to speak about badminton in Maraठी. माझा आवडता खेळ बॅडमिंटन आहे. मला बॅडमिंटन खेळायला खूप आवडते. माझी बरीच मित्र आहेत ज्यांना की बॅडमिंटन आवडतं. त्यांच्यासोबत मी दररोज बॅडमिंटन खेळतो.
Mahesh, you are good boy.
थँक्यू.